Hello and welcome to the University of West London's MSc Business Analytics course. This master's degree has been developed to be practical, in-depth and industry-informed in its design and delivery to interact directly with the needs and rigor demanded by top business and financial institutions. We prepare our students to emerge as self-assured, capable and industry-ready business analytics professionals. When you begin the MSc Business Analytics course at UWL, you will not only have access to the most recent lecture content in the field, but you will also go above and beyond, focusing on bridging the gap between academic rigor and practical relevance through direct industry interactions throughout the course. This master's will be taught by the business school who have both boardroom and classroom expertise to provide a unique, personalized and hands-on learning experience for you. The course covers exciting areas such as programming skills, data analytics, predictive modeling, business statistics and forecasting, digital tools, financial skills for decision makers, and an independent, research-led critical inquiry project. The key technical skills expected from this course will be acquired through learning by doing and continual practical engagement in the form of case studies and live examples, and you will be assessed through various coursework activities. You will also learn through partnering in teams to replicate real-life work challenges. As part of this course, you will acquire and hone the skills necessary to operate effectively as business analysts. So apply now to start your business analytics journey at the University of West London.